department within the Biafra Republic government in exile that is responsible for the issuance of national identity card. The national identity card of Biafra is going to be verified using Jumio facial recognition. What it means is that as we are progressing in our quest for freedom, we are laying a very strong foundation, demonstrating to those doubting Thomas. That's Mwame Togo. We are no longer, Obi is not a boy, Obi is a boy. With this, if you have a fake ID card and you want to apply for Biafra ID card, Jumio facial recognition will not verify you. The reason the Biafra government want to lay this foundation is to prove to the world that we are not part of fraudulent Nigeria. We are not part of Nigeria that live on fraud. We are not part of Nigeria that their president will forge American university certificate. We are not part of Nigeria where a president will be admitted into university as a woman and graduated as a man. As a Biafran, once your identity is recognized and documented using the Jumio facial recognition, it can never be changed until you die. And I want to tell you one thing today. The reason why Finland is a very strong and crime-free country is because of database. I have copied from them. While many criminals from Nigeria are traveling abroad to go and defraud foreigners, we the Biafrans are traveling to come and learn so we can go back to develop ourselves. So the process is this. The ID card will be issued at this point in 2 locations. One, the Biafra Republic government in exile headquarters in the United States, and the Biafra Republic government office in Finland. We are going to gradually extend the issuance to other countries, the liaison offices in other countries. But for now, we start with these 2 countries, Finland and the United States. The process of application is to validate the document and the ID card issued to you by your country of residence. So if you are residents in the United States, you have an ID card issued to you by the United States government. So what Biafra government does is to validate your ID card using that particular United States issued ID card. In doing that, because we are yet to declare Biafra and to have a sovereignty state. So we are now banking on the already existing document issued by a legitimate government where you live. And also, because of the security of Jumio, if you forge any country identity card in order to use it to apply, Jumio will detect it. And you will not be able to get that particular. So what we are trying to do is to lay this foundation to understand that anywhere in the world you present a document, an ID card from Biafra Republic government in exile, it will be respected. They will know that they will know that it has undergone the same rigorous security check, just like them, because the Jumio is involved. Now, I know some of the people in the zoo will not understand what we're doing. They are primitive people. And they will remain primitive. We are not just in Europe to make living. We are in Europe to develop ourselves and make sure that we affect life back home. And we are doing that. So today, we are officially presenting the Biafra National Identity Card to the Biafra people. And when you look at it, you find out there is the Biafra Liberation Army logo. There is the Star of David. Can never be taken away from us. It is a sign of the covenant of God. You see, during the time when Nigeria was fraudulently formed, the flag of Nigeria had Star of David. But those who are killing us today, they removed it. Nobody complained, which means our identity has been removed. Yet, we did not complain. As if that was not enough, they begin to change the demography of our own geographic area. Today, when you talk, they brag about you are from the Southeast. Southeast was not in existence 50 years ago. But the Nigeria state, with the Dundees, the Olodos, the Tiboribos from the Southeast, the only thing they care of is how to make money. We are not just about making money, we are about living in peace. It is now, we have come to understand and realize that life is not all about money. We choose peace over money. We also choose freedom over money. And that is why somebody like me rejected everything offered to me. They did not even approach me to even offer, but I heard, and I know from the right source that they are offering themselves whatever to drop Biafra agitation. I want you all to understand, we have sacrificed a lot. We have taken enough bullet. Not only that we have taken enough bullet, what we are doing is for history's sake. I did not join this Biafra movement to make money. I joined this Biafra movement to make a name. And the name I want to make is a name that you are going to be reading, your children will be reading it in the history and say, Simon Ekpa is one of those that liberated Biafra. This convention may never happen again. The next one will be in Biafra and after Biafra declaration. You know, when we were telling them what we were about to do, they thought it was a joke. They were stealing the idea. They begin to do the NIA, whatever they do, NIS or whatever. They were stealing our idea. It will never work because a faulty foundation remains a faulty foundation. So that is why. We love you. We love you. I love you too. I love you too. Thank you, thank you. So, please, when you live here and go back to your respective countries, start to apply for your national identity card. Those of you in the United States, I want to sound it very, very clear today. I am pro-Trump. Because, please, I am pro-Trump. I know many of you will not like it. But let me tell you one thing. Those who identify with us, we will identify with them. And I'm telling you, Trump team have identified with us, officially. So, we are not relying on Trump or his administration to give us freedom. But the closer we get, the better for us. This is just a side talk. Why I'm saying this is that everybody in the United States must register to the Biafra database. It's very important. We need that number. So, if you go back, spread the news with your communities that they need to identify themselves with the Biafra Republic Government in Exile as we start to build our database system, which Africa don't have, Nigeria don't have. So, as small as we are, according to the dot in the circle they called us, we are now beginning to move mountain. We will do big, big things. I thank you all. Welcome to Biafra.
Thank you, DJ. Thank you, DJ. Thank you, DJ. Thank you, everyone. Are
you hungry? Do you want lunch? Do you want lunch? Okay. It's lunch time. So let's take a break, have some lunch, come back, okay?
And the lunch place is just on the right corner from my side. Please go to the right corner. The doors are open and help yourself. Thank you very much. DJ.
It looks so looks don't matter. It's what you do that counts. And your lips don't matter. It's what you say that counts. Let the whole world know why you look at me. Sing it for me. And not the color of basket.
I got a really bad skin and I like it like that. I really want skin and I like it like that.
Everybody know I'm in my own zone. I'm a king, I'm a queen, cause I say so. Teddy Batman, put a little more. Tell Baba I'll be God for so long. Everywhere I go, I'll surely come home someday. I wanna see the rest of the world. All alone in a cold world. Say it goodbye on the mountain top and getting freaky. The looks don't matter. It's what you do that counts. And your lips don't matter. It's what you say that counts. Let the whole world know why you look at me. Sing it for me. And not the color of my skin.
I pray that I wake up one day and they're in wall side. And on the TV all I see, yeah, that's homicide. They're trying to beat you against me, cocky in the bow. Don't believe everything I read when I scroll online.
Skin, black or white, brown or red, all of them nice, shine bright like the star, shoot like what? But I've got all the power in me. Life is such a beautiful thing, I wanna live on forever. Ain't nobody hold me back. This is my life and I owe it to God to be awesome. Skin, all alone in a cold world. Take it goodbye on the mountain top and getting freaky. The looks don't matter. It's what you do that counts. And your lips don't matter. It's what you say that counts. Let the whole world know why you look at me. Sing it for me. And not the color of my skin. Teddy Batman, put a little more.
Now we be VIP, our team, peace and tranquility. I'm making all the cheddar, people I the better. Since I keep on Zabada, people know me well. If you don't know me, brother, I know like Wahala. I'm a cool leather guy, I know like Asala. If you want to know me better, go away, Baba Bella. I don't think in the time of Nelson Mandela. Access to just Stella, Pashala and Bola. You go see, say that true one, they know you well. Originality. Now we own the society.